Welcome to FirstWord Pharma's News Roundup for November 30th, brought to you today by editorial researcher Nina Whittle. In our top news story, sources indicated that Valeant Pharmaceuticals' talks to sell its Salix Pharmaceuticals unit to Takeda for around $10 billion have fallen apart due to disagreement over price. The sources suggested that although the talks could potentially resume, Valeant is now focused on building the business. Also in the news, study results showed that Novo Nordisk's Tresiba has a comparable cardiovascular safety profile to Sanofi's Lantus in people with type 2 diabetes. Data from the DEVOTE trial also showed that Tresiba was associated with a significantly lower risk of severe hypoglycemia compared to Lantus. In other news, sources suggested that Johnson & Johnson substantially increased its offer to acquire Actelion. People indicated that the Swiss drug maker dismissed an initial bid of about 246 Swiss francs per share, or approximately $26 billion, as too low. In addition, the National Institute for Health and Care Excellence recommended that women should be offered anastrozole to prevent breast cancer in families at high risk. Evidence suggests that if 1,000 women at high risk of breast cancer took the drug for 5 years, 35 cases of breast cancer would be prevented compared to 21 if they took tamoxifen. And finally, shares in Arrowhead Pharmaceuticals fell 60% after the company announced plans to end the development of several experimental drugs to refocus resources. Arrowhead will end development of drugs using its EX1 delivery vehicle following the death of non-human primates in a toxicology study. To read these and other stories in full, please visit firstwordpharma.com.
Are you able to keep up with all the news and views in the biosimilars market? FirstWord's Biosimilar Index is the only dedicated biosimilar and non-comparable biologics intelligence tool available. Get ahead of your competition and learn more today.